If you've been watching my vlogs over the last 6 months, you will know that I bought this DJI Spark in the colour red, which is the colour of danger, to repel bird strikes. Well, in today's episode, you're going to see just how badly the colour red repels birds. Oh my word guys, I cannot believe what just happened. As I was coming into land, a bird swooped and attacked my drone, like properly attacked it. It was one of those fishy birds, you know, the ones that dive in the sea after the fish. It swooped, this was about 30 metres up in the air, it swooped and attacked it, like dive bombed it. I was genuinely thinking that was it, game over, this drone is f***ed, it's going to fall to the ground and smash it in a million bits. The drone started to spin in the air, like all the way round and round and round, but for some miracle it stayed up, I don't know how. And it's fine, I mean one of the blades is cracked. I think the bird came off a lot worse than the drone did, but yeah, that's the first time I've ever had a bird attack on a drone. And it just goes to show you these little drones, the birds will go for them. The DJI Sparks are absolutely incredible. There's the crack on the blade, right there. Otherwise it's fine. Alright folks, we are back home from that little jaunt to the beach. The footage will be in a vlog tomorrow, but listen, I just wanted to talk about this for a little minute. I have examined this since we got home. It doesn't seem to have caused any major damage apart from the propeller. One other slight concern I have is this motor here, the gap there between the motor and the frame is a bit bigger than the other one. This is the one where the bird struck and where the blade is cracked. And also after the bird did strike and the drone was descending, it seemed far more wobbly than usual, so that concerns me a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of a test now in the house while I can still fly it to see if it will take off and land here in the house. It's not going to be a great test, I'll need to take it outside and do a proper review, but let's just give it a wee go. Luckily, the Fly More combo with these things comes with spare propellers, so I'll be able to change this no problem. That isn't a worry. The worry is if this has been damaged in any way. Hopefully not. I mean, it seems fine. So as you can see for now, it seems like it's taken off. I need to do a proper retest of this outside. I think it's fine, to be honest. I am just so impressed the way this handled after the bird struck it. Like, it was probably about 20 or 30 meters in the sky. The bird hit, and it hit it hard. This bird swooped and really went for this. It was a big bird as well, kind of like a guillemot or something like that. I could actually hear the clash as the bird crashed into this thing. And it was making all kinds of squawking noises. It was pissed off, right? I should not be flying near that bird, that is for sure. Obviously not deterred by the colour red whatsoever. The drone stayed in the sky. It did a burrow, it was spinning around like that, almost uncontrollably for about 10 seconds. It didn't really leave the area that it was in. And also remember guys, it was extremely windy. We're talking 12, 13 mile per hour winds. That is pretty strong. And this thing was steady as a rock. But what happens after about 10 seconds is that it stopped swirling and it gained its composure and descended normally. And I must say as well, it was in return to home mode when it happened. So there you go. I did expect, because these drones are really small, that the birds would have less fear in attacking them, because I've never had a bird actually manage to attack physically my Phantom drone. I've had loads of birds swoop at it, but never actually hit it. Just lucky it didn't fly off with the thing. I need to say, this has been my best tech purchase in years. I like technology. I buy a lot of technology for vlog footage, cameras, the drones, various different tech gadgets, the phone and everything. And out of everything that I've bought over the last 3 or 4 years, this has by far been the best purchase. It is amazing. I love the footage I get with this. It is perfect for this vlog. It is so small I can take it anywhere. So consider this my kind of 6-month review. It is a tremendous piece of kit. I am so happy with this. Delighted that I bought it. And honestly, I cannot see there is a better drone in the market for what I do at the moment. Small, discreet, quiet, and it's done everything I've asked for it. I've got some cracking footage with this thing. It's fast. If you put it in sports mode, this thing is like a little rocket. It is awesome. And as we saw today, it can withstand a bird strike. I think I'll be first in line if they ever do an upgrade to this. with a 4K camera. I guess the only one complaint 6 months on is the fact that the battery life is pretty short. I mean, you get about 12-13 minutes with it, but otherwise I love this. I don't have any faults. So yeah, that is my upload for today. A bit of a technology review. I don't do that many on this channel, but I love technology, so here is one. If you're ever thinking of buying a drone, I highly recommend getting this one. Anyway, that is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I will speak to you again really soon with some more vlogs coming at you tomorrow and the next days after that. Take care.